Trying to get this little guy out of here. Grab him, grab him. Well, hopefully Mama will take him. Hopefully it was wet enough he didn't get any of our scent on him. No, I didn't touch him at all, really. I just grabbed the back of his neck. All right, well, we're out here quail hunting. Just got done saving a baby deer, so that's pretty awesome. But yeah, we're gonna do some quail hunting now. We got a few right here on the ground in front of us. We're gonna see what we can get. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned, subscribe if you have not yet already. All the links below will go towards supporting this channel. It's got all the gear, fishing gear, hunting gear that you need down there, so just scroll through those links and check them out. Let's go get some quail.
Let's do it.
I just had a coyote walk right out in front of me. I didn't get enough time to pull up on him. I got one. Well, that rock toss worked. First quail of 2020, and that's a fat one. That's what I'm talking about. I don't want to shoot towards you. So that sucks. Oh, right here, right here. I got one. That's two. I know. Nailed him. That's three. There's where he lays. Headshot. Perfect little headshot right there. It's a nice looking quail. Gotta love it. Opening day, Yuma, Arizona. Quail hunting. He gone. Pretty good right there. Well, probably gonna have to redo that because somebody's ruining my shot. All right, there we go. All right, there we go. That is 14 quail right there for the first spot. Not too bad.
How you doing, man?
Good.
Good.
Well, cool. You guys get anything so far? Or?
16?
Yeah. Oh, wow. You guys are doing okay.
Nailed him. All right, I'm out of ammo. He's dead. Nice. We just put a killing on these animals. Woo! My gun is hot. That was a little shooting spree right there.